your water heater, or your HVAC, here are 5 things that you don't need to replace when you're ready to sell your house that won't add any value to your home unless you absolutely have to fix it. There's a lot of advice out there that's going to have you blowing money on things that you don't need to do. And honestly, buyers won't care. So let's talk about the things that you shouldn't fix before you're ready to sell your house. That way you're not wasting your time or your money. Buyers don't fall in love with brand new water heaters. It's going to cost you $1,500 to $3,000 to replace a water heater that buyers won't even care about. You know what they want? They want a functioning and working water heater, and they'll still pay top dollar for your home. This HVAC system, brand new, is going to cost you $10,000 to $20,000. And the reality is that buyers are also not going to care if it's brand new. It might make your house sell a little faster, but the reality is that it's not going to stop them from paying top dollar. So get it serviced instead and keep your money and put it where it needs to go. I know what you're thinking, let's demo out this kitchen, but here's the reality. I sold this house for $20,000 over list price. So what about this bathroom instead? Actually, that's a part of the same house because we priced it right. We didn't need to demo the kitchen or the bathroom. And so if you want to talk pricing, I actually have a video right here or here for you to check out. And it talks all about pricing here in St. Louis. Now, back to this kitchen and this pile of money that we saved our clients. Instead of lighting it on fire, we made sure that they saved it and they still netted the most money that they could without lifting a finger. Why? Because pricing sells, not perfection. Thinking about replacing all of your windows before you get ready to sell? If they open and they function, that's all you need to worry about because windows are going to cost you $15,000 to $25,000 and it's not going to help you net more money because buyers expect functioning windows, not brand new windows. If you ask a roofer, does your roof need replaced, there's a good chance you'll get a sales contract to replace that roof in less than 24 hours. Here's the good news though. If your roof has 2 to 5 years left on it, that's usually good enough for most buyers because buyers expect a functioning roof, not a brand new roof. A new roof typically doesn't add value to it. It just protects the value of your property. So if your roof needs to be replaced, then yes, absolutely replace it. But if it's still functioning, it's still working as intended, and you're not leaking, then don't replace that roof.